yes, we're going to Florida and it's gonna be so great. What the nails look like. This is gonna be the airport fit. Now that I got my nails done, I'm going to be talking like this, okay? We love her, she gives. I don't have enough footage on my camera.
Speed of light, like a bullet. I could be there by the morning. I can't call it, so I ain't got no time. Wait up and down and out for too long. And I ain't got too many options. Move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. Too fast, live too fast, ain't no such thing as too fast.
Okay, so this is how the chicken turned out. So I was gonna go ahead and put it over some rice, but I don't have any butter for my rice. Good morning, it is Sunday. Stop, Hunter. We are currently editing. Hold on, let me change up my battery because it's about to die already. Like I was saying, it is Sunday. I am currently doing laundry, so that's why all my sheets are off of the bed. What else? I'm editing my video. I tried to upload this video 3 times, you guys. 3 times yesterday, and it got copyrighted every single time, and now it's finally good to go. I'm so annoyed, but nevertheless, we're getting it done. We're back on our Zoom, you guys. I feel like, let me sit down and drink my coffee for a second, because I feel like, for me, I'm a Virgo. So for me, I feel like my life has to be organized. I'm like, I can't have chaos. And when it happens, I just shut down and I just don't do anything, if that makes sense. So lately I've been vlogging, but I haven't been editing. Like, it gets me every time. Like, the editing part, I'm just like, So yeah, anyways, that's what we're doing. I'm uploading this video. I want to put some nails on today because I got some press-ons that I wanted to put on. What else? We got our coffee in this little mug. And yeah, that's the vibes right now. We're doing laundry, getting our life together, doing some YouTube stuff. We're vlogging, cleaning up, you know. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm about to finish uploading this vlog. I also have to still make the thumbnail for it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this video uploaded and then I will be back. It is a little bit later on in the day. I am currently watching McKenna, love her, watching her vlogs, catching up, doing laundry, and that is my day, honestly. So I don't know if I'm gonna see you guys later, if I'm gonna pick up the vlog later. I have to work tomorrow in the morning, so I'll just catch up with you guys when I see you. Welcome back to the vlog. I have not picked up the camera in like 2 or 3 weeks, you guys. And I thought I was gonna start the year out strong. It is February. It is actually February 4th. And I leave Friday for Florida. So I was like, you know what, we're about to vlog. We need to vlog this trip. It's just a spontaneous little getaway trip and just kind of like a treat to myself for always working and always being a mother. I just need a second to just vacay, you know what I mean? Like a breather by myself, alone, just out of the city that I live in. So yes, we're going to Florida and it's gonna be so great. Okay, so plans, we are gonna definitely get our nails and our toes done tomorrow. I have an appointment after work at 3 o'clock to get my toes done with my friend, so we're gonna go do that. And then Wednesday I have an appointment to get my nails done, and I'll show you guys like my inspo picture because I've never gotten my nails done like this before. So this is the inspo pic. Kind of want to do this blue color. It is super cute, but I might do red. But I love this. So yeah, this is what the nails are going to kind of be looking like. And then my toes, I'll probably just do regular French tip like I always do. And then that's pretty much it. And then we leave for Florida Friday. Ah, I'm so excited. I'm just staying for like 3 nights. And I'm just gonna have a good time, take you guys along with. I haven't done any like travel type videos yet on my channel, so I'm excited. And yeah, so that's the update. I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. I'm about to go to bed, y'all. It is 10 o'clock and I have to work at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna go to bed and I will catch up with you guys once I'm getting my toast done tomorrow. Good night.
We hit the plan and it's cops feeling jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Burn the blood, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Now it's away.
Alright, it is the next day. We're about to go ahead and get our nails done. I'm so excited, guys. So I will show you guys what they look like after I'm here to get my nails done. So I'm going to record and let y'all see what the process is. And yeah, I'm so excited.
To make the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for? Put you in a mansion somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't.
Welcome back. It is the next day. I got my nails done. Let me show you guys what they look like. This is what the nails look like. Super cute. The little flowers glow in the dark. But yes, we love them. We love them. So yeah, I was actually deciding between doing red or pink, and I had to go with the pink. So yeah, that's how I got my nails done. I'm actually trying to figure out some outfit ideas for when I leave for tomorrow, because I leave tomorrow for Florida. I'm so scared. I don't know. I'm just so nervous. I haven't been on a plane in a while, and I'm just excited to just take a trip, you know, just a breather for a second, you know, away from motherhood for a second, away from my life, everyday life. I can just do what I want to do, you know. But anyways, yeah, I was gonna go ahead and get some packing done. I have to edit a video and try to get it uploaded by tomorrow, because I don't have enough footage on my camera to be able to vlog while I'm there. So hopefully I get this video done. If you know, you know. I've been slacking per usual. What's new, you know? I'm not making excuses for myself, but at least I'm aware of the fact that I've been slacking. And now that I got my nails done, I'm going to be talking like this, okay? So if you see a lot of this, just know it's because I got my nails done. Okay, anyways, yes, I'm about to go ahead and pick out some outfits, get packed, and then also get an edit. I'm not gonna try to get a video done. I'm going to get a video edited. My sister gets off work at 11. It's 8:29. She's coming to spend the night because she's driving me to Chicago to the airport tomorrow, and it takes us about a good little grip to get to Chicago's airport. And then I'm flying out. I'm flying out. Flew out. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go over some outfits with you guys. I think I might try them on because I have no idea how they look together, but we're gonna do airport outfit, and then that I'm probably not gonna do like show you guys pajamas. I might, but then we need an outfit for Saturday, an outfit for Sunday, and then I leave Monday. So Monday I'll probably just wear my airport outfit again because you know how they are. You know how the airports are with that, with the luggage. And we're gonna be as cheap as possible because I'm trying to save my coin. I'm also moving out of my apartment in June, and I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm trying to save up a little bit of money before I figure out what I'm doing, where I'm going. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into packing and figuring out what outfits we're gonna bring. So yeah. Okay, so for the first outfit, I have this really flowy white shirt. I love the shirt. I get so many compliments every time I wear this shirt. And then the back is like open right here, and then it has the tie and then the strings. So that would be the shirt for the first outfit. We love her. It's giving summer. And then these pants I've been obsessed with. We love them. They're kind of like flared at the bottom, but they have like the pockets, and then also the butt has the pockets too, so I thought those were really cute to wear with that shirt. The shirt is giving very much simple, flowy, and then the pants are like boom, the statement piece out of all of it. But I'm trying to figure out what shoes I want to wear, so I have a couple options. I just have two. I have these heels that I could do with it. Love these. And then it would go with the shirt, or I could do these, and these are probably one of my favorite pairs of heels. They are strap-up heels. But the thing is, I'm wearing a black purse with this outfit. I don't have a white purse. So I'm just like, would the black throw it off if I did the white with the white and then a black purse? Or if I should just stick with the black shoes and do the black purse to pull it all together. So that's the idea for the first outfit. Okay, so after trying on a lot of outfits, I feel like this outfit is honestly the best. So we're going with this top. I tried on this top with the jeans that I was going to pair it with. It was absolutely not giving. I thought it needed some like skinny jeans, and the heels were still not giving with it either. So I did skinny jeans, my sandals, and then my purse. I feel like I look like a mother. So yeah, that's gonna be the first outfit. It looks so innocent, so cute. Yes, we're gonna do this outfit. That's the first outfit. And then this is the second outfit. It is just this jean jumpsuit. We love her. She's also flared at the bottoms. But yeah, she snatches the waist. She has some pockets here, a little zipper, and then there's no sleeves. But yeah, I think she's so cute, and she's very appealing to the body, or on the body. So I'm just like, girl, what are we gonna do? And then I was thinking my sandals, these are so dirty, I'm so sorry, but I love these. I was just thinking my sandals, look how sparkly they are too. So I was thinking about putting my sandals with that outfit. These are so dirty, but I love them. So those, and then with the same black purse, because I'm not gonna switch up too many purses, but it'd be that. And I thought it was cute. So that would be the second outfit. Okay, so this is the second outfit. It's a little jumpsuit. I tried on my black heels with it. I don't like it at all. So I really like my sandals with it. And like I said, I'm wearing the same purse every day. But these are the little sandals that I'm gonna wear with it. I think I just like the sandals the best, honestly, with this outfit. So, boom. Sandals it is. We're just going simple. So yeah. For the airport outfit, I was going to wear my little Bape hoodie. We love her. She gives. Love her. So we're going to do this with this black jumpsuit or romper underneath it. And then for the shoes, I have two options. So the first shoe would be, let's put it with the outfit. My all white G Bezos, you already know. So we could do that, or we could go a different route and we could do these, which I'm really leaning towards, but the pinks are kind of, I don't know, the pinks are different. I don't know, they're all different, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it on to see what looks best, and then maybe with some like longer socks that kind of come up to my ankles, like white socks. I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna have to figure out what the outfit's gonna be. But as of right now, I'm thinking maybe these with this outfit for the airport fit. You guys let me know, even though I'm going to be gone by the time you guys can let me know. But yeah, that's what I was thinking. I don't know, I might change it up because red looks really good on my skin, and I have this really cute shirt that I could wear, and I could just put some leggings on instead of a jumpsuit. But that's the idea for right now. Alright, and then now we're on to the airport fit. I have my hoodie on, my bodysuit, and I was thinking maybe my slides. I can't even really see. So that's what it would look like. Boom. Or we could take the slides off. I have to put my little yes on. I don't want to crease them. I love these shoes. These are probably one of my favorite pairs of shoes. So then you would have this. This would be the airport fit. Or instead of these, like I said, we could do these. But I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know about these. I don't know. I don't like how they look with this outfit. So that's how those, I mean, they don't look bad. They actually kind of look good. So yeah, I don't know if I want to wear this for my airport outfit, or if I want to do something else. So I'm gonna see. Okay, so after like 13,000 freaking changes, as you can freaking see, we have clothes everywhere. This is gonna be the airport fit. I just have on this little cropped jacket with the R on it, my bodysuit, and then I have on my slides to be comfortable with some little socks on. So yeah, I think this is the airport fit. I'm comfortable and it looks good. Okay, and I can have my hair down. My main issue was I'm trying to wear my hair curly, so in order for me to do that, I have to be able to wear something where it doesn't have a hood, because my hair tends to sit in the hood and then my curls start shrinking up, if that makes sense. So with this, my curls can still like hang over on my back and still air dry, if that makes sense. So this is a little airport fit. Cute. And then I'm also going to be bringing this black dress. It's just like a really nice summer dress. You know how that be. Really long. It goes like down to my ankles. So we love her. It's like a bodycon summer type dress, but super simple. And I have my black purse and then my black heels that I could do with it. Or I might bring the white heels too. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I was thinking so far. I'm not really staying too many days, and I feel like for me, I don't do a lot of outfit changes. I'm mostly in pajamas the whole day. But yeah, that's the little outfits that I was thinking about so far. All right, and then last but not least, the infamous black dress. Just in case I want to step out, you know. Super simple. Still bring the heels with, because you know those are the girls. And then the dress doesn't really do too much, but she does enough, you feel? And then I got my little purse with, and yeah, super simple, super cute. Period. That would be the last outfit though.